Whoa! Whoa!
Right, so tonight we're going eel fishing, but first we need to catch some mullet for bait, using some bread on a fishing line and a float with our good mate Dylan. Let's see how many we can catch.
Take it! Oh, you won! You won! You won! You won! You won! Don't lose this, Dylan. Don't lose this. Oh, crap! Fish on! Come on, don't lose it, don't lose it. Don't lose it, just get it! Just get it! Don't lose it! It's right there! Ah! We got it! Yeah! Dude, look how you hooked him! Whoa. What a hooker! Dylan. Good cat.
Right, well there's one mullet, let's see how many more we can get.
Yo! Nice. Good cat. Right. Oh, you got one. Oh. Caleb. Caleb. Take your time. Yes. Good cat. Right. You ready? Good cat. This is a big fish! Fish on! Whoa! We got it! What a hookup! That, my friends, is how you catch mullet! Nick's on! Finally! Don't lose it. Yep, come back. Dylan. Yeah, it's a big mullet. It's a big mullet. Close to Dylan. Scoop it up! Scoop it up! Scoop it up! Scoop it up! Dylan! It's right there. Don't pull the line. Don't pull the line. Don't pull the line. It's right there. It's right there. Scoop it. Get it. Put it in the net. Dylan, in the net, Dylan. Dylan, put it in the f***ing net. It's right there. Dylan. Yeah! You got it. Oh, yes. Finally. It was barely hooked. Finally! Yeah.
Don't beat yourself up, Dylan. It happens to all of us.
Hey guys, we're down at this little jetty with Dylan! With Dylan! Hey! And this is the mullet we caught today. So this is Nick's nice catch.
The longest?
46. That was a 44.
Caleb's the fattest?
Yep. And this
there's Dylan's catch?
There's Dylan's catch. And
then they're just some more of
yeah,
ours.
just some more. But yeah, it should be good. Dylan's already hooked an eel. Yep.
There it is, This is an eel.
Here it comes.
Yeah, big eel.
Got off. Whoa! It's massive. Oh no, Dylan.
So, yeah, should be a good night.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, so what is that? So circle hook, wide trace, big sinker, tough line, mullet as bait, hand reel, saltwater eel, Bob's your uncle. This is Dylan's rod. We're not allowed to use it. He's talking to someone else.
Alright, we caught a fish. Whoa, it's right there. Whoa!
Can they bite?
Yeah. Alright, here's the release.
Alright, head first.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Oh yeah, it's pissing venom.
We also caught this little Jenny mud crab with a bunch of eggs. Right, now for the release. See, buddy. Oh, that's gotta hurt, just like Dylan's back slap.
Whoa.
Holy snapping duck.
Don't you just love that sound?
Yep, it's on.
Big party. Don't hit him.
Come on, Nick. It's an eel. It's an eel. Come on. Oh. Yay!
Yes.
We got one.
Got him.
Awesome.
Nice.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Okay, jump
Is he
on it.
unhooked?
Jump on it, jump on it, jump on
I
it.
got him!
He's unhooked.
I got him!
Jump on it, catch
He's done.
Ah! It bit me!
Get away from it. Get away from it.
Yeah! Good work, Dylan, once again. Wow, he's
Wait,
so
we need to
cool.
get into the esky before we lose it.
Okay, let me get the SC.
Good catch.
As soon as we chucked that eel in the esky, another eel was taking the bait on my hand reel.
You got it? Fish on!
We're actually
Fish on!
Still
Fish on!
Still on!
Fish
crap.
on!
No, it's too big. Shit, it's massive. It's actually massive. Get the neck.
Is it a shark? No.
It seems to be hooked pretty well.
What do you reckon it is?
An eel.
An eel?
Right, get it, dude.
You got
Yes,
it?
Dylan, bring that, bring that.
Nice!
Yes. No, you're gonna get bitten. Right, is someone...
Ooh. Did he just break the...
Put him in the esky. Oh, crap.
Ah, it bit me on the wrist.
Just pop it in, it's biting
Oh,
it.
shit. Alright, just throw him
Oh,
in.
true. Yeah.
Oh, no, they're out, they're out. Whoa.
Oh, shit.
Hold him, hold him.
Oh,
Go. Ready?
Shut it.
I'm gonna
No,
go.
he's out, he's out.
My gap's in there. My
He's
gap's
out.
in there. Let me get my gap out.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Have you done this before? You fellas?
No.
Okay, good. Go.
Get in there. Get in there. Sit on it.
We got him.
Push it out.
Wow, awesome.
That was awesome.
Yeah, it's crazy. $1.40.
$1.40 this one was, wasn't it?
Yep.
So yeah,
It's huge.
there you
Yeah.
have it, guys. How to catch a pike.
Saltwater eel.
Oh, they're so damn old.
We have fire.
Alright guys, welcome to our kitchen.
Today we're going to show you how to cook these bad boys up.
Step 1,
Whoa. Oh, yeah.
cut its head off.
Cool.
Step 2, rip its guts out.
Get all its asshole stuff out. Yep.
Step 3, cut it into good sized fillets.
Nice.
Step 4, skin it if you want.
Yeah, we're not eating that.
You've done a better job doing it.
That's like mush.
Good job, boys. Got some nice fillets there. Yep. Alright, the ingredients we have for today, we got some olive oil that we never used, salt and pepper, sweet paprika. Now in this bowl, we have some nice Raptura sugar. The thyme. Yep. The thyme. Butter. And a nice, juicy lemon. Damn it.
Oh, what the? Alright.
Lemons! So now just add in some of the thyme, a couple spoons of sugar.
Wow, you don't go stingy on the sugar, do you?
Nope. Some paprika. Salt, pepper, and grind that all up. And before you put those on the fillets, you just want to coat the fillets with nothing but a damn lemon. Woo! Yeah!
On the grill, baby.
And we forgot the butter, so we'll just put that on there.
So we'll put these 3 on the hot plate, and we'll just do the same thing.
Is that not the most delicious thing you've ever seen?
Oh. Awesome. Give us a look at that. Nice. It looks awesome.
Oh yeah.
Oh, mate. Right. Now, just before we try that, I'm just going to flip these.
Yep.
We probably should have put some oil on, but...
That's what you want.
Yum. Right, boys. Dig in. Ready.
They good?
Can't get any better than that, guys.
Oh, yeah. Amazing. Do you like it?
Oh, it's alright.
Alright. Aren't you bloody hard to please, mate? Right. You ready for the next batch? Woo! Okay, so method 2 of cooking on the hot plate.
Right.
With skin on. We'll see how this one goes.
Alright, move over, guys.
Good?
Try Dylan.
Okay.
Just do it. It's good.
It's crunchy, caramelized. Seriously, I think skin is definitely better on. Wow.
Done.
That is really good.
Pike eel, catch and cook with our main man Dylan.
See you on the next episode, guys. Stay tuned.
Subscribe.
Yeah.